College, it's a big thing in our lives. This is a transition from a boy to a man. After college, everyone will be in different places. Everyone's either going to be working in some offices, everyone might be working in their own family business, someone might start their own startup. But let me ask you one thing. What do you want to do after? What is the main purpose of the work you want to do after college? Is it for the money? Is it for the passion? Or is it because you have no other choice? So whenever you're in college, you'll always find these workshops everywhere. People from this company are coming, people from DBS are coming, people from Citibank are coming, and all this stuff. So I'm just confused in one thing. So is this where people actually, is it their dream that they want to work in such companies? Is it that when they were like 5 or 6 years old, they wanted to be like, I want to work as a banker at DBS? Is that what they really want to do? Is it? Sure?
I feel that.
About presentations, banking, and you've been so much about trying to influence everyone, get into this, get into that. Was this true?
No, I wasn't trolling people. That's what I was trying
But I
to.
want to ask you, why don't people come from 20th Century Fox? Why don't people come from Nike? Why don't people come from EA Sports? Maybe in some cases it's understandable. Like if someone asks me what I'm doing, I certainly would not be excited to tell them I'm doing marketing for Playboy. I mean, come on. And sometimes it's about society also, because society judges people a lot. It really shows an underwear company. I remember seeing one movie, this guy used to just go proudly everywhere and tell that I used to sell lingerie. And then
You seem happy about that,
the
don't
stick you would get from everyone is just like,
He wants to do that.
too bad. But anyways, I want to talk about some of the professions that many people look forward to. Many people are interested in being an investment banker. Am I right? So, how much would an investment banker earn annually? Around $70,000 to $80,000 a year, maybe more. But he's not there.
Yeah.
So, let me tell you just one thing. Kevin Roose had written in his book, Young Money, about the social side of these investment bankers. It said that the companies go like this. Let me offer you a social contract. You have to stay at work for 2 years. You do not get to see your friends. You will be chained to your desk, and we will give you this glorious life that you could never even imagine. Bullshit. Because, let me tell you about a few other professions. When it comes to lawyers, did you know that lawyers have the highest amount of suicide rates?
Oh.
Yeah, and it's like 3.6 times the average suicide. And for attorneys, I thought an attorney's job was just simple, just do. But I thought it was much more than that. It turns out that attorneys have the most highest depression rates among themselves. So maybe how much are you earning around this? 100,000 annually in all these jobs? I can give you some alternate choices. You can consider them. They would have equal or higher pay, and they're not very stressful. So, do you love to cook?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah? Then, do you like the weather? Are you claustrophobic? Perfect. You can become a cook in a submarine. You can be away from home for like so many months, and how much you're gonna get? $200,000 annually, US. Yeah. So, show of hands. How many people here like ice cream? That's it? Shame. Did you know if you could be an ice cream tester, you would get $56,000 annually just for testing the ice cream? What could be a better proposition than that? Then, now the most common thing that's really booming around this world is YouTubers. There are like YouTubers everywhere. One of my favorite YouTubers is KSI. You know, what he shows around is how black, oh sorry, I can't be racist. African British he is. And for that he earns millions just like that. The highest subscribed user on YouTube is PewDiePie. What does he do? Just play games. And he earns $7 million annually. Can someone start teaching me how to play all these games like Dota and everything? I really want to learn. And then Did you know if you could just go fishing for crabs, you could get $60,000 annually? College students actually do that just to pay off their student debts. And then there is another profession. It involves acting. There are many different positions held, and there's also a lot of money, and there are many different roles, and many illegal. It's pretty illegal in many places. And do you know what I'm talking about? I'm talking about the TV industry. Chill out. James Spader, Julie Bowen, different roles in different movies. So that's how they got, and that also has a lot of pay. Because for acting now it's like you get like easily 100 million for just one movie, or 2 to 3 million for one TV episode. So you can take these things into consideration. I mean, would you rather sit on a desk, just be like a robot, go work, come back, sleep, repeat? Or would you want to do something by your own self? Do you want to live by your own rules? Take a look at Ricky, for example. He started his own startup business. Woo. And it's going on so well. He's given free clothes to everyone. He gave me this free tie.
What?
I didn't true.
Two ties for everyone.
See, he's doing what he wants to be. He wanted to like start his own online thing, and because he was interested in all this online stuff. And now it's going along so well, he's doing what he loves the most. So all I want to tell you guys is, do what you love. Don't be forced to do things. Whoever tells you all this, you're just going to see them once or twice, and then they'll be gone for the rest of your life. Thank you.